Can you tell me about your greatest strengths?
I refuse to give up. That's my biggest strength. Uh, I have there have been situations in my past where the learning curve as well as the challenge in front of me was really tough. But I have never backed down. It sounds a little bit cinematic, but it's kind of true. I kind of I have a I'm pretty resilient. Even when the odds are kind of tough, I try to dig within, find solutions, ask people around how can I navigate about the situation, the problems, discuss it out. I feel like I have a great uh, since I have a decent communication skill, so it helps me just like help just throw out my thoughts or my problems to people around me, with my colleagues, friends. They give me their piece of advice, and then I just try to combine them together and just come up with a good solution. That's my biggest strength.
I love that you came up with, your resilience and your refusal to give up. I think that that is an underrated skill, and a lot of people, will immediately jump to something more technical. I think it's completely fine to use something that's more transferable, a little bit softer as well, so long as you make it really concrete as well. What's a strong example where your resilience really came through? I have an example. Once I did this project and I hit roadblock after roadblock after roadblock. But here's how I overcame all these roadblocks, and this is what I learned as a result. That's why I really built up my skills and resilience. We talked a little bit about signposting and how to really inject that structure, right? These are the three concepts that help to demonstrate my resilience. If you can show specific examples, maybe to show your problem solving skills, then suddenly you're taking it from I'm resilient to I'm resilient and I know how to problem solve. So think about how to merge and be strategic with your time. And because I did notice that you start out by saying like I refuse to give up. The learning curve of some of the things I do are really really tough. That's a good example where or an opportunity for example, right? And then you circle back to and I never back down. And I built my resilience and this is how I do it. So it felt a little bit circular. If you can just say resilience is my top skill and here's why, think of how much more concise that would be.